Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Samsung Gear VR with any phone. Using a Samsung Gear VR with any phone is limited because the device was designed specifically for older Samsung Galaxy models, and full functionality depends on the original ecosystem, including motion tracking, controller support, and Oculus-based VR apps that are no longer actively supported on modern devices. For the complete experience, you would normally need a compatible phone like older Galaxy S or Note series devices, since newer Android phones and non Samsung models are not officially supported and won't run the required software properly. However, you can still use the headset in basic VR mode by inserting any phone that physically fits inside the Gear VR slot without using the USB connector, and then playing 360 videos from apps like YouTube or other VR video players. This allows you to experience simple VR visuals, but without interactive tracking or app integration. In short, full functionality is restricted to legacy Samsung device, while modern phones can only provide a limited viewing experience through basic 360 video playback. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.